Are you looking for an easier way to type on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to enable dictation on your iPhone. With this feature, you can easily dictate text and have it appear in any app that uses the keyboard. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap Keyboard. Now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom, and under Dictation, you'll see an option called Enable Dictation. So go ahead and toggle on the switch next to Enable Dictation. And then tap Enable Dictation one more time to confirm your action. Now you've successfully enabled dictation on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.